I wanted to get this video out to the Patreon Plus and the Platinum members because it is such a change in a position that I've held for quite a period of time that I didn't want to own Tesla. And basically, it's not because I don't believe in Elon Musk or I don't believe in Tesla as an automobile company, but I did believe it was just an automobile company. But Homer continued to pester me about that I needed to change my position on Tesla. And he writes me about 2-3 times a week, very extended letters. And then just yesterday, he sent me you damn well need to see this. And then there was a link to a video, and I'm going to show you the start of that video, and then I'm going to give you the link that Homer gave me, because I think this is a game changer. I think that Elon has put together a package in the form of a supercomputer that is going to serve him well as providing the navigation systems for autonomous automobiles, not only the Teslas, but he's going to sell this technology and this data that he's collected to the other automobile companies as we move closer and closer to autonomous vehicles. He calls it a dojo, and the dojo is his supercomputer. And this individual in this video I'm sharing with you does an excellent job of explaining what he has put together. As I look at it and as I watch the video, I recognize that probably what Elon has done is he went out and he hired some of the best talent, and he can because he's quite wealthy, and they have gone and bought the parts for a supercomputer, which he's calling Dojo, and he's saying it will be one of the top 5 supercomputers in the world. And I'm quite sure he's using the parts that are made by some of the companies that we hold in our Bus 13 portfolio. So I think that becomes our part of a win, and I think that Elon will create a business that, as the presenter in the video says, that is very similar to Amazon Web Services, but he will be selling the computing power for the navigation of probably all the cars in the United States that are autonomous in the future. So with that in mind, I'm okay taking on the exposure to China. As I think deeper and deeper into it, I'm okay with the exposure with NVIDIA that is exposed through Taiwan Semiconductor, as are a number of other companies, and I'm okay with Apple being exposed to China. So watch this segment of the video and then go find the full video. As I say, the link will be in the description, and this is a must-see because I think this is a game changer. At least it is going to be for me.
Tesla's artificial intelligence division has created a very special and very powerful new type of supercomputer, and they are calling it Dojo. This is a project that Tesla has been talking about for the past couple of years, but as of right now, Dojo is online, and it is growing in power at an incredible rate, expected to reach the top 5 most powerful computers in the world by early next year. Project Dojo is a much bigger deal than most people realize, and it is about to change everything for Tesla. In June 2023, Elon Musk announced that Dojo has been online and running useful tasks at Tesla data centers for a few months. This was the first confirmation we've had that Dojo is operational and ready for action. It puts to rest speculation that has been going around about just how mature this new system really is. And Elon's words were backed up by information from the new official Tesla AI Twitter account, showing that Dojo's hardware is production ready in July 2023. This means that Tesla has already begun accumulating fully functional Dojo chips and building them out into larger systems of racks and cabinets as the supply continues to grow exponentially. Tesla AI is forecasting that Dojo will expand from its current testing phase to become one of the top 5 most powerful supercomputers in the world by February 2024, reaching over 30 exaflops of computing power.
And the presenter then goes on to explain what exaflops are and how much more powerful this computer will be than other computers that are available now. And he does a good job of explaining why this is so essential as we move into artificial intelligence and machine learning. And this, just for me, substantiates the bus 13 portfolio. Now, the bus 13 portfolio is focused on hardware. Bus 12 will be focused on software. And as we look at the dynamics of which is the more profitable end of it, probably the hardware will represent about 40% of the profits coming from artificial intelligence, and the software will be that of about 60%. And it will be more long-lasting. So these things are important. But here's the link to this video. I want you to watch it. I want you to understand it, and then do your research and your due diligence. Because remember, this is not financial advice.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.